Hi, I'd like to talk about the Bolt CNC. It has two power supplies, 250 watts each. One power supply is used for the two motors on the Y-axis, and the other one is used for the two motors on the X and the Z-axis. We have four drivers, one for each motor, and we are controlling this with an Arduino circuit board. Our motor has 439 inch-ounces of torque, and it's a pretty substantial one. And the belts we are using are 16 millimeters wide. They're pretty, this is a good heavy duty belt. This machine is built to handle some power. This is the Bolt CNC. It's built using 2-inch diameter conduits. We have 4 conduits on the Y-axis. 2 on this side, 2 on this side. We have 2 conduits on the X-axis, that's this one and this one, and we have 4 conduits on the Z-axis. These are 1.25" conduits. We're using a 5-start half-inch Acme rod and a Delron anti-backlash nut. This is a 2 horsepower router. It has very smooth gliding action, built very stable.